program here, PLSQL program to find largest of three numbers. Okay, so for the very simple program this is. So see, first we are having same, you have tried this, very important. So as I said, set server output on statement we have tried, because if we want to display the result, if you want to get the result and display it on the screen, right, we it's important that you write this statement, otherwise your output will not be seen on the screen. Okay, right. So in C language also you have seen, right, so if you are using HCH function only, your result will be displayed, it will be seen on the screen, otherwise it will not be. Same here also. Okay, so just to be able to see the result on the screen, we have to write set server output on. Okay, so if you are missing this statement, your output will not be displayed on the screen. Okay, so we have to remember this. Okay, and then see here, we have to start the declaration section and executable section. So as I have said in PLSQL structure, right, so there are three sections, that is declaration section, executable section, and exception handling section. Okay, exception handling section and declaration section is optional, please keep this in mind. Okay, but this part, this executable section is very mandatory. Okay, so declaration section and exception handling is optional. Okay, so whenever it is required we have to use, otherwise we don't require it, we don't have to write it. Okay, so now to find the largest of three numbers, obviously we require three variables, a, b, and c. Okay, a, b, and so we have to declare the variables. So as I have said before also, that when you're declaring variables, first variable name and then data type. Okay, variable name, data type, and here we are specifying size. Already I have said about the size, right? So I hope you got it. So b number, b variable, and then data type number, and so we are specifying size. Same for c, numbers, we are specifying size. Okay, I hope you got this, right? And semicolon, please remember this, wherever you have to write semicolon and wherever you don't have to write semicolon, you have to be very particular about this. Okay, otherwise you'll not get your execution will not be done. Okay, and then we have begin. Executable section starts from begin and end along with semicolon. Okay, along with semicolon. And then, so now coming back to this, in begin, what are we doing? First we have declared three variables. Now in order to store, take the values from the user and store it, you have to write a colon equal to ampersand a. Ampersand a means, I have told you guys, ampersand a is taking the values from the user and assigning it to a. We are storing that value which is given by the user and storing it in a. Okay, so please remember this. Assignment operator is colon equal to, please get this, b colon equal to ampersand b. Same for this one also. Okay, so after you are done with this, now what is the next step we have to do? You have to write if condition. If condition, guys, in C language also same thing. Okay, little bit similarities are there here. Okay, only the syntax is different and the operator here we are using is little different, that's all. Okay, so now if of, we are writing the, we have to apply the condition. If condition, if of, what are we writing here? A greater than b and a greater than c. So please observe here, we used to write like a greater than b double ampersand, right? We used to write like, right, but this is not how we write. Okay, we write as like English like words we write. Okay, if of a greater than b and a greater than c, then dbms underscore output dot put underscore line of, that is to print the value of a. Okay, we have to print the message. We have to write this, a is maximum. Within this statement we have to enclose it with single quotes. Please remember this, not double quotes. Most of you people are doing this mistake, most of the students do this mistake. Okay, it is single quote, not double quotes. So a is maximum, along with that to print the value of a, which is stored in this variable a. We have to write this concatenation operator. Okay, in order to print the value of a, we have to write this. Okay, and then semicolon obviously, and then see here in this part, else if this condition is not true, if this condition is false, the transfer goes to this part, right? Else if, and see here also, most of the students are doing this mistake. It is else if, ELSIF. It is not ELSE if. Okay, still some people are writing like this. Please remember this in PLSQL. This is how you write. Okay, this is the format, this is the syntax you need to follow, you need to strictly follow. Else if of B greater than A and B greater than C. Very simple. Here also we are writing English like word and. Okay, not double ampersand symbol. Okay, then what do we have to print? To print the value of B, what do we have to write? dbms underscore output dot put underscore line of B is maximum within semicolon concatenation operator B. Okay, to print the value of B, which is stored in B variable. Okay, semicolon and then else. Okay, here it is same only, like how you used to write in C language, no? Same here also. And otherwise we have to print the value of C, which is largest. Okay, so dbms underscore output dot put underscore line of C is maximum within single quotes concatenation operator. We have to print the value of C. Okay, here we are printing the value of C, semicolon, and then end if, because here we are writing if statement, right? So in order to terminate this, we have to write end if followed by this semicolon, which signifies the termination of if condition, if statement. Okay, please remember this. And then this end is termination of this executable section. Okay, that is why end followed by this semicolon. Okay, I hope you got till here. And then slash is used for this, forward slash is used for compiling or for running the program. Okay.